Mondo again. Getting older, but not past it. Never told them past it. So go for a nice walk along the beach. Try and do it as often as I can. It's the cheapest form of exercise. Walking. If I don't get swamped by the surf. Don't need any equipment, not like a gym or membership. Just a member of the human race. All the equipment you need is a pair of waterproof shoes on a day like today. And wrap up warm lad. Put your vest on if needs be. Some people actually go swimming in there, it's freezing cold. It's the thing now, isn't it? To get yourself icy, cold and wet. But I prefer you just walk. And it lifts your spirits, doesn't it? Apparently it's the ozone in the air which is caused by positive charged ions due to the salt in the water mixing with the air causes ozone. It's all scientific, but it's not scientific to me, it's just natural. So if you get a chance, just get out there and walk. It doesn't have to be along the beach, it can be anywhere. It keeps you fit and young and healthy. Well, younger, should we say. So I'll get on with my walk and I'll leave you to your own devices. Cheers then.